This is Pepper, Psycho Ninja Cat. She's anxious to start destroying many, many things.
It's true.
Like, let's say you have a nasty pirate problem. Pepper can fix that! Dun, 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 dun. Kill the Americans! Woo, yeah, kill the pirates! Yeah, kill it! Woo! Go Pepper! And if you're wondering, she is not trained. She's not trained at all. She works with this Kraken. See, the Kraken is holding this pirate, which Pepper is slowly chewing on. And then she's ripping off the other pirate. Oh, she killed the Jolly Roger.
Aw, come on, Pepper.
Pepper.
Yeah, kill the dead man.
Woo.
Kill the dead man, even though he's already dead. Go to your playhouse.
Let's continually follow Pepper.
Go to your playhouse. Come on, Dog Caddy.
Woo!
Come on, Pepper.
Dr. Pepper's in the house. Yeah, Pepper. Go into your ninja hideout. Okay. Here's something else. Hey, Pepper, got your favorite toy.
Come here,
Look
Pepper.
at this. Pepper. Go. Woo.
Yeah.
Go.
Go, Pepper, go.
You can't get
it. Go.
Woo. The stalking technique.
Run, Pepper. Run,
Woo. It's above you. Pepper, up high. Oh, yeah, kill it. Woo. Kill it. Oh, no, it's going in circles. Woo, where's it going now?
Around you.
It's on your head. Yeah, kill that thing, Pepper.
Kill the thingy.
Woo, tetherball. Oh, no, you caught it.
Go back into your playhouse. Come on, Pepper.
Continuing on.
Come on, Pepper. Let's go. Come here, Pepper.
Pepper, stop eating my shirt. Continuing on. Pepper is a small 2-month-old kitten. We just got her yesterday. Not trained. So,
That's her little bed.
actually it's the top of her house. She's crushed it in. Oh no, now she's falling off. Ah! Oh, now she's angry. Now she's killing it. My money's on the Psycho Ninja Cat.
Oh, she's looking at my feet. Why? Why,
She's stalking your foot.
Stop it.
Now she's
Go,
running to
Pepper. Go, Pepper.
It's an earthquake. What do you do, cat?
Sit there.
Hide under the table. Sit right. Hide under the table, kids.
Is this yours?
Yes, that is, Ryan. Okay, continuing on. Pepper, the small cat. We are not sure what type of cat she is, but we do know she is absolutely rambunctious. Okay, here, Pepper, up.
See,
Come on,
make her
up.
jump
Woo,
over.
woo, yeah. Let's get some air action. Oh yeah, you gotta stand up to jump.
In her stalking position. Ready to kill the prey.
Oh, woo! Look at her, she's destroying. Oh no, she's crushing the house. Oh, destroyer of houses. Come on, Peppa. Destroy this house again, once and for all. Woo! Yeah, crush it.
Come on, Pepper. You got this.
My money's on the Psycho Ninja Cat. Woo! Where is it? It's behind you. No, it's over here.
Hang on.
Up.
She's got it. She had it.
Oh! She
Barely
just
held
missed.
on.
Oh, yeah,
she
destroyed
collapsed
the
the
house. Going around the other side. Woo! Perfect technique. Up. Oh yeah, crush that thing.
Woo!
Pepper, over here.
Look at her.
Up here.
Oh,
look
yeah,
at
how
her.
smart she is.
Remember, not trained. Oh, she crushed it.
She crushed her house.
Oh.
She's stuck. Oh, poor Pepper. I got you.
Destroyer of world. Oh. Up top, Pepper. Woo.
Collapse.
She also goes up to my finger. Here, Peppa. Here. Come on, little kitty. Remember, here's Pepper. Dun, 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 dun. Bye-bye.